This laptop vibrating and radiating heat on your screen is doing exactly what a lot of our machines do every morning. You press the power button, the fans spin up like a jet engine, and you are stuck waiting for what feels like an eternity just to check an email. Instead of listening to that mechanical struggle, a healthy computer behaves differently. It goes from a cold start to a fully usable, responsive desktop in just a few seconds. Today, we are going to diagnose exactly why your computer is stalling out. We will fix it by walking through 4 quick software adjustments and 1 physical hardware reality check. To follow along, you only need 3 things: a Windows 10 or 11 laptop, administrator access to that machine, and 15 minutes of patience. You do not need an IT degree to reclaim your time. If you can mirror the exact clicks we are about to go through, you will systematically eliminate the software friction slowing your system down. Look at this diagram. Every one of these squares represents a background application trying to launch the exact moment you turn your computer on. Because they all try to boot simultaneously, they create an immediate processing traffic jam. To clear that backlog, right-click on your Windows taskbar. Click to open your task manager and navigate specifically to the tab labeled Startup Apps. Here in the task manager, click the Startup Impact column to sort your list. This immediately identifies the worst resource offenders by marking their impact as high. Go down this sorted list and right-click to disable the non-essential daily apps you don't actually need the second you log in. Look for things like game launchers, chat programs, or music players. There is a specific failure point to watch out for in this menu. You do not want to accidentally disable a critical system driver. To stay safe, follow this rule. Look at the Publisher column. If the publisher listed is Intel, AMD, or Realtek, leave it alone. Stopping these background apps prevents the processor from being overwhelmed before it even fully wakes up, reducing the queue of tasks the CPU must clear before your desktop becomes responsive. A hard drive at 95% capacity is suffocating your system, lacking the 15% free space Windows needs. To breathe, navigate to Windows Settings, Storage, and activate Storage Sense to automatically clean out junk files. You should run that storage sweep immediately, but take a moment to check your Downloads folder first so you don't accidentally wipe out any important personal files. With your storage optimized, we turn to the next hidden drain: malware or conflicting security software silently consuming processing power in the background. Open Windows Security, navigate to Virus and Threat Protection, and initiate a quick scan to ensure nothing malicious is hijacking your system resources. While that runs, we need to address a common myth. Installing multiple antivirus programs does not make your computer safer. Because security programs require deep, system-level access to monitor your files, running multiple programs causes them to fight each other for system dominance. That constant background battle actively slows down your PC. Clearing out unused junk files and neutralizing overlapping security software restores your system's baseline breathing room. By removing those internal conflicts, a stalled machine becomes much more efficient. Now we need to address system-level bugs. Navigate to the Windows Update menu and check for any pending stability fixes. If you trigger an update and it appears to freeze at a high percentage, do not force a manual shutdown. As this warning screen shows, powering down during a patch can corrupt your operating system. Once your software is patched, we arrive at the final physical constraint. We need to determine if your laptop's slowness is actually a hardware limitation. Open your task manager one last time, click on the Performance tab, and look at the label identifying your disk type. This comparison illustrates the 2 possible drives you will see. On the left is an HDD, a mechanical spinning disk, limited by physical motion and moving parts. On the right is an SSD, a digital drive built from solid memory chips. If your system label says HDD, the software fixes we applied today are a temporary measure until you can make a physical hardware upgrade. But if you have an SSD, these software steps remove the artificial bottlenecks that prevent your drive from reaching its rated speeds. To apply the cumulative effects of everything we just adjusted, restart your machine right now. When it reboots, you are going to see a faster boot sequence, and then notice the app stems and the loud mechanical fan noise. To keep it running this smoothly, make it a monthly habit to check that Startup Apps list. Routine software updates often add new background processes without requesting permission. Measure your new boot time. Comparing that number to your old startup speed proves the impact of managing your own system settings rather than leaving them to default software behavior.